Alright, we're going to do another channel update. I recently replaced the condenser. This one was off Amazon. I think it was 60 bucks. What happened was the condenser on the previous owner looks like they didn't have it put back in straight. There's a little, it mounts to the bottom of the radiator, and that mount wasn't in right. It was pushed forward. So the condenser was pushed into the back of this little transmission intercooler, radiator, whatever you want to call it. So it got pushed into the back. I'll show you. So that condenser was pushed forward into the back of this screw that's right there. So that's what made that hole. Took it to a shop, they tried to fill it up, and that's what happened. All of it leaked out. As you can see, the dark spot. Yeah, this intercooler was 60 bucks on Amazon. It was not bad. My only complaint was, as you can see, the lines go right there and they come around. When I first installed it, those connections were right here, so you couldn't even spin the fan. So I just started bending them slowly, going around, and I finally got them so where they they're out of the way. I'm gonna move them a little bit more, but now the fan actually clears and I can actually start it. So that was my most recent thing I did yesterday. Install was not that bad. I did have to take the whole front off. And I'm also going to replace this dryer or accumulator. They're like 20 bucks, $22, something like that. So I went ahead and ordered one. I figured why not. Reading a couple places online where you replace your condenser to replace your dryer or accumulator at the same time. So that's one thing I'm going to do. That gets here on a couple days. I think on Thursday of this week. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Another thing I did was I plastered up the grill. I figured why not. I kind of like the black grill, so I figured I would give it a shot and try it out. I do like it so far. We'll see if it stays. It's plastered up, so I can always get rid of it. As far as the bumper not being on there right now, I took it off when I did the condenser, but I'm also selling it. It is for sale. I'm going to go with a Goliath off-road bumper. They're out of Central Florida here locally, so I can just run and pick it up. I'm going to go with their rocker style bumper with the bull bar, so I can finally mount my winch that's been sitting over here waiting patiently. So I'm finally going to get a winch bumper and slap that on there. They do come in bare metal, or you can get them powder coated. I'm just going to powder coat it myself or paint it myself. But that's what I'm going to do for bumper wise, but that's about it. So stay tuned for the next update.